Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a staple of the writing world, the Pentel Finito Porous Point Pen. If you're looking for the best in fine point pens, stick around because this might just be your next favorite writing tool. Let's kick things off with what makes the Pentel Finito stand out. It's renowned for its precision and reliability, making it a top choice among writing enthusiasts and professionals alike. This pen features an extra fine point, perfect for those who crave detail in their writing. The permanent pigment ink ensures your writing is check-safe, fade-resistant, and water-resistant, which is crucial for documents that need to stand the test of time. What I love most about the Finito is its smooth liquid ink flow. It delivers a skip-free writing experience, meaning no interruptions to your creative flow or productivity. Designed with durability in mind, the Finito boasts an extra durable plastic nib that allows for ultra-fine lines without any bleed-through. Plus, the snap-tight cap helps to preserve ink longevity, ensuring you get the most out of every pen. Now, like any product, there are pros and cons to consider. On the positive side, the Finito excels in precision and ink quality. However, some users may find the extra fine point requires a delicate touch. Compared to similar pens on the market, the Pentel Finito stands out for its consistent performance and reliability. While others may offer similar features, few can match its combination of precision and durability. User feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with many praising the Finito's ability to deliver clear, smudge-free writing on various paper types. It's a go-to choice for anyone who values both style and substance in their writing instruments. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a top-tier fine point pen that won't let you down, the Pentel Finito Porous Point Pen is a clear winner. Its blend of precision, durability, and ink quality makes it a must-have for professionals and enthusiasts alike. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy writing!